Okay, and so we are talking about Saturday evening here, yes? But you start to work on Saturday morning because you have to have a refresh sourdough, which you refresh 3 times every 3 hours. Something like this. And so we will also see how to start. So we have to, normally you will have the sourdough, which normally is a bit acid, and you have to take off the acidity, give oxygen, so you make him have a bath, and you put it in a bath of water and sugar. We will see that. And then you leave it there, and then you renovate it 3 times. You give him food, flour normally, flour and water. And after the 3rd times you renovate it, you wait another 3 hours, and then it's ready to be used. The panettone, the first thing you have to do is to make it, give it in a bath, so to say. And then this is water, 38 degrees, with 2 grams of, this is a bit acid if you want to try. Just, I mean, just.
Oh, yes, it is.
You can smell if you want to.
I put it together so that
if you touch it with the tip of your tongue, you will feel that it's a bit sparkling. It means it's a bit acid. Later you try. And so you put it here. This is water, I said, 38 degrees with 2 grams of sugar each liter of water. And you put it like this. Now we put a bit to take a bath. More or less for half an hour. Normally, it should go on. Anyway, now we leave it for half an hour. After we have finished that, we take care of this. And you see, the more acid it is, the more sticky it is. The less step. We do it. We take it off and we put it in one of the machines. At home, I do it by hand. And I mix it with the same quantity of flour. And in this case, after the bath, is 40% of water. This will be ready to be.
But we should do this only once.
Only once.
And then
yes.
3 times with flour and water.
Yes, exactly. The first of the 3 times is this operation.
Okay.
And you have, let's say, we can even draw it. We start at 8 o'clock for the first dough, or 9 o'clock. Then you have to do the second renewal at 6 o'clock, and the first renewal at 3 o'clock. Done it earlier. And we take off as much as water as possible.
Amen.
More or less.
No, it's
Butler on the board.
To oxygenate the yeast, I mean to give
The water oxygenate the yeast.
Okay.
and to take away, to regulate the acidity.
How much sugar you put inside?
2 grams per liter.
Oh,
Same amount, yeah.
It's the same amount because 550 per liter, 1 kilo, 1 kilo and 100, and we are 12, we are 11. It's okay, plus 200, so more or less we get 100 grams each. Okay.
Non, j'ai pas compris.
And the water should be at 30 degrees.
Did you put it down?
Okay, anyway, don't put it on. So. And now we do like this, we put a bit of water, like this, put on the flour. Now, I don't know if we managed to give enough, and this is more or less the consistency we touch.
Quite stiff.
Sì. And you can taste a bit. I mean, you can. Lievito duro, prodotto sicuro. Means that with the hard yeast you get a sure product, safe product. And this.
Fare si aumenta di... Fai in modo che entri nel bicchierino.
Esatto. Troppo. more or less where we are. Like Nino said, we do the first dough in the evening.
And start the machine.
I mean, Italian is fine. But I just need to remember kind of the,
Yes, yes.
because your dough is slightly different.
Metti tutto?
During the first dough, you put the ingredients at normal temperature.
Yeah, I mean,
To take care about the temperature, you should never exceed 26. I think that now we can put the eggs, but not only a little bit, and wait still it is at so. Okay, enough.
Questo come se lo porta?
Va un po' meglio.
Stacca
Vediamo
un
se
po'.
fa il velo. Vediamo se fa il velo. Vediamo se fa il velo.
Un altro poco deve stare.
Siamo quasi. Bella.
Vedete c'è un po' di grumi, no? In effetti.
Questo qui.
Si chiama anche il velo della scuola. And then normally in the morning after you put this first dough, in the second dough, in the second preparation with all these ingredients. And then after that we have to make let it rest for half an hour, and then we have to form it to put it in the so-called molds. And then it has to arrive at 2 centimeters before the border for you to be able to put it in the oven. Before that you have to cut it, and this we will see everything. Okay, this dose will make you able to fill in 1 kilogram. You will get a panettone of 1 kilo. If you sum everything, it's a bit more, but it's because they say that the panettone loses about 10% in the oven.
So 120 grams.
Yes, I mean.
Un altro po'.
Okay.
This is the first one.
Right, This it took me. Spanish, but I mean,
Okay.
more or less.
When you put it inside,
It's okay. It's okay.
sono tutti italiani.
Senti, questa è una palla.
Il peso è calcolato giusto.
The first dough should be put in a controlled temperature at 25-26 degrees for 10-11 hours.
Okay.
And you get this result.
Yeah.
The sourdough. Normally you can put it in the oven just with the light, and you get there 30 degrees, more or less. If you want to have 25-26, you can have something like that, which is a switch with temperature sensor and light.
Yeah.
So, and you can set the temperature, and the light switches on at a predetermined temperature. Okay, now the first we put inside is the flour and the mold. And we can start. Okay. It's very important during the working of the machine that you never lose the solid composition of the dough. When you put now the eggs, for example, if you put it in one, the risk that the dough becomes liquid is high, and if it becomes liquid, it's lost.
Okay.
Okay. The dough should never exceed 26 degrees. And if you see that it takes too long, then it's better you stop. You measure the temperature of the dough, and if it's too close to 26 or 26, you stop and put it in the refrigerator. Okay. We can alternate.
Just put it like, take 20 off, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
So only we have the dough and the hot.
Yes, yes, because otherwise it's too heavy. So I think we can put.
Yeah, it looks good.
I know we always had a camel at home, and the one we have in Scotland is older than me.
Perché il fatto che si alza così vuol dire che che è bella compatta, no? But it's now it's okay. Huh? It's a little bit sticky, but you can see it's elastic.
Fine. It doesn't matter. It doesn't
It's okay. E può essere stressato l'impasto.
Ah sì?
Se lo lavori troppo, oppure but this is good. It's still to see if it's okay. Should see if it is elastic enough. Think inside
Everything.
everything. Put everything
Everything.
Yep.
At once.
at once.
It won't go.
She will not be stressed. Non dare too long.
Però quello che l'ha inventato non aveva lì.
Mettiamoci
And now we can
un attimo qui.
Non mi ricordo se avevamo pulito il tavolo. Non lo dico. Non ci hanno sentito. Tutto.
Ma se c'hai voglia, fare sport,
and now we do it by four. Un po' seccato sopra, like this, and then you close it from this.
Oppure lo conservi e fai qualche
much
altra volta che
butter,
fa la candita, magari lo metti dentro e poi ti lasci.
And then you close it, you see? You see? And you create the tension. Now it's ugly on this side, so I bring it back. Only there is too much butter, and then it comes like this. Hands here, and you move it.
Un po'
Spizzicata. Più compatta.
Cos'è?
Esatto, cominciare un po' più al centro.
It's kind of funny. You make all your effort in
Yes,
forming a nice ball.
Nino, answer please.
Right. This one is a little bit more hard, and it facilitates the rising of the insect. Exactly.
Okay.
And then of course, if you wouldn't have such a strong flour, this will break up. And this.
Sorry, I have to leave you.
Va
See
bene.
you all next
Now
Friday.
you just
Next
wait 1 hour.
No,
No, I'm joking.
I have
They call me.
Okay. They call me. Aspetta che devo finire perché qua. And you see, ecco fatto. And the cross was is also a religious symbol. I was told.
The razor blade is part of the kit.
No. I mean the kit. In the kit, you get things which you normally are more difficult to find.
I wouldn't know where to find the razor blade anyway.
And now we put it in the oven.
Which temperature is it?
170.
Ah, lo infilzi già nel forno?
E prima lo facciamo meglio è. Vai. Mettilo qua sopra, ho preparato qua.
Wow.
Aspetta.
No, devi
Lascia. Vai. Funziona le mani?
È un'operazione pericolosissima.
And also always a thing on the other side because this is hot.
And now?
And now
Allora, vediamo se...
steel, huh? This I made complete. It's not plastic. Very much what we did.
Questa società fra 20 But by doing that, he already makes a lot of tension in it.
Yes,
Pulling it out.
yes, look.